Alright, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing video. This is an awesome set I got last year, I believe. The electric sports car set, like a solar car. It's kind of awesome. There's that. Yeah, that's a cool new like neon yellow color. Is awesome. Minifigure head. Instructions down. The car body and the windshield. That's an awesome set though. Alright. That is cool. And the instructions. Alright, awesome. That's a cool set. No, I like that. Electric sports car 608. Sorry, 60383. Build that sometime soon because I got a bunch of sets I want to start building to clear space in my town or in boxes. Alright. Thanks for watching.